How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can design gears for 3D printing using Fusion 360. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just navigate through your project. Now, normally it will be selected to the solid option right here. So you just want to select the option called Utilities. Now from here, click Add-ins, and then a new window will show up on which you just have to search for spur gear. In here, you just have to run this spur gear add-in. And then basically we have the ability to adjust our spur gear to wherever we want to. Now this is going to be the part name. You have your metric right here. And then you have your pressure angle, your module, number of teeth. Normally it will be set to 24 teeth. You have your backlash and many, many more. So after adjusting your gear the way you want to, you could just click on OK. And then it will be imported onto our plane right here. So of course you can adjust this to whatever you want to. Now let's click on the move and copy. Let's select our object and then let's move it something like this. And so basically, here we have it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.